TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. We got markets hanging around positive territory so far. Dow Jones up 149 points, trading at 24,215. S&P is currently positive by 14 points, trading at 2619. And the NASDAQ up 20 points, trading at 7,044. We got some action in gold, up $5, trading at $12.9360. Oil off 36 cents. Trading at 51.75. We got the EIA numbers at 10:30 this morning. We'll jump into that in a moment. We saw a draw of more than 2 million barrels in that crude market. And dollar index basically flat, up 10 ticks at 95.685. 10-year note, negative 5 ticks at 121.24. And the 30-year bond now up 1 tick at 145.14. Let's jump over to the future market. We'll start it off with that Dow approaching session highs that we made just prior to noon, up there above 24,200. Looking at the March futures contract, currently trading at 24,187. NASDAQ 100, a little bit of a different story. Quite a high we made of 67.30. We're now back to 66.93 in the NASDAQ 100. S&P is 26.19. Highs of the session made just after 10 a.m. of about 26.23.875. So almost up to 26.24. Crude oil, there's some volatility for you. There's your 1030 bar. We trade from 52.38 all the way down to 51.27. You're talking about more than a buck to the downside, 51.27. Then we trade all the way back up almost $1, and now you got crude trading at 51.88. And to give you a recap of those numbers, there's your breakdown. Crude, a draw of 2.6 million barrels, estimate pretty close to there. Check out gas, though, a build of 7.5 million barrels. An estimate was only a build of 3 million, and distillates coming in at close to 3 million barrels, estimate of 1.3. So the market's still digesting those numbers. Gold contract, quite a run, up to almost $12.95, now currently trading at $12.93.82. And that pound, pretty stable day for the pound, sitting at 128.5 after that roller coaster yesterday from 129 down to 127, back up to 129 on that defeat from May and her Brexit vote. Stay tuned. We got a replay coming up right now. Steve Rhodes recorded his program live this morning. You'll hear that at 1 o'clock. And then our man Dave White with the Power Trading Hour at 2 o'clock. And don't miss, folks, tonight, 5 o'clock, nuclear weapons for traders. Dave White, he's going to be in there with his subscribers. You can check it all out on the front page of TFNN.com. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. Have a great Thursday, Wednesday.